This view is one of those "you've got to be kidding me" views. I don't want to destroy the camera.
Okay. Okay.
I know, we'll just put you right here in a spectacular view.
Okay.
Okay.
I look alright.
You look fantastic.
Okay. Why so beautiful?
Isn't it though?
Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
This is Chris. We just had a long chat.
Yeah.
I think I'm climbing up to Cloud Dispelling Peak. Every few feet just seems to command a photograph. This little human-made pond. Pretty little bridge. Don't you just love this iron and stone or cement railing? These are the hair-raising precipices they've designed for us here. There we are, right on the edge. And here, for a little innovation, they've simulated bark. Clever part of the walkway, including a tunnel down here. Interesting passageway in which they have buttressed up these huge rocks so that there are reduces the chances of there being some kind of shifting to the detriment of me. Here you used to be able to step off the edge into the abyss. Now, you can still do it if you want. The railings aren't OSHA height. Probably because neither are the Chinese. Is this to die for or what? Well, to kill for it. Trail goes over there somehow. That'll be interesting. No railings here because you only have about 10-15 feet to fall. Here's the trail. The trail just drops precipitously off the side. Here they've decided to freak us out by putting in cement planks that we can see down through so we know we're walking in thin air. This we have yet to climb up and then climb back down. A friend from Switzerland pointed out that I was right there, right where my thumb, in the middle of the front of my thumb, and if I continued here, then I continue this loop, and then I go back here and loop it back around. So that's what I'm doing, except I may follow this arm this way, except it ends right there and you can't pass that plank. This is steep, if not steeper than Huangshan up near Xi'an, but this is much prettier with these railings, and these stairways are nicer. At least a tenth the people that were there when I was here as there were when I was at the other mountain, and the views here are far closer and more spectacular. The artist along this route got a little bit whimsical in his railing construction with monkeys. Now there is a place called Monkey Peak, and that may be where I'm going, or have been for that matter.